Consumers have changed. Today, they expect instant gratification. They push a button and something happens. Use a rideshare app and your chariot awaits. Stream a movie and Tom Hanks and Meg Ryan are in your living room. In today's on-demand economy, businesses have to deliver, period. We know that home shoppers want to work with responsive agents, dedicated to finding properties that perfectly suit their needs. With all of this in mind, we have evolved Premier Agent to be focused on making direct connections live by phone when it works for you and them. This builds initial trust between a buyer and an agent and helps to create lasting and fruitful relationships. We have almost 500 people dedicated to making these connections. Here's one of them now.
So our research showed that the way we used to deliver leads, buyers' on-demand expectations were not being met. 49% of the time, buyers came to our site looking to connect with an agent about the home they fell in love with. They simply didn't hear back from anyone.
49%. We can do better together. And so now, we immediately respond to buyers, confirm they're thinking of buying a home, and continue that responsiveness with a phone introduction to an agent.
When a buyer is directly connected to a Premier Agent, we know that that buyer is 4 times more likely to continue working with that agent.
That's right. Now all you have to do is answer the phone, only when you're available to talk, and you'll get a live connection to someone who wants to talk to you.
When a buyer is validated, we will call you during extended business hours. And if you miss the call, no worries. All you have to do is aim to answer the phone 50% of the time, and you will get your full share of voice of connections.
So it's actually pretty easy. No more chasing down leads.
So I talk to so many people every day who really just want to get the ball rolling, and all they need is an agent that they can trust. Premier Agents have that badge of professionalism, and that really helps.
All we're doing is making that handoff from us at Zillow Group to a trusted Premier Agent.
This connection is almost as good as a referral. We have evolved to meet buyers' demands while putting you, the agents, in position to close on more homes. This is a win-win-win. A win for buyers, a win for us, and a win for you. And that's why we've evolved.